Hello, today we are going to talk about Aditya Birla Housing Loan Against Property. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Aditya Birla Housing Loan Against Property. Applicant age should be between 21 year to 60 year for salaried and 21 year to 65 year for self-employed. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount rupees 10 lakh to 50 crore. Tenure will be 3 years to 15 years. Login fees will be 5,900. Rate of interest will be 10% to 14% at reducing rate. Login fees will be 2,950 plus. Turnaround time is 7 days. Insurance charges will be 0% to 2%. Insurance charges will be 0% to 2%. Foreclosure charges will be up to 4%. Processing fee will be 1% for normal and 1.25% for LIP program of the loan amount. Part payment is not allowed. Products are fresh loan, BT plus top-up, commercial or industrial purchase, lease rental discounting. Lock-in period is 24 months. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 3 years. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Aditya Birla Housing Loan Against Property structure of income for calculating. Location is 65 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are politician, gym, NBFC, police, advocates. Negative property are school, hotel and restaurant, hospital and nursing home, leasehold property without PTM, stand-alone basement, Lal Dora property, unapproved freehold property, unapproved third floor and above, legal and technical not clear. Specific product for professional for MBBS doctors 4x of gross receipts, chartered accountants to x of gross receipts. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company, or list of partners, if applicant is partnership LLP.